Baritone mod has been updated to the latest version of Minecraft Java Edition, which is currently 26.1. As you can see, I'm over here on the Meteor Client website, which is where you can always download the latest version. I've got it right over here, so I'll link this right down in the description below. We can simply click on this button and our download is going to start automatically. By clicking on this official sources button, you will be redirected to their GitHub page, which is where I am right now. The only problem is that the newer versions don't always get posted as releases on here. As you can see, if I go here, we're not going to see all of the versions that there are. That's why I'm referring to Meteor Client's official website. For the rest, you can find a lot of versions here. Versions that aren't here but can be built from the source code, which is here, can be found pre-built in my Discord server, link in the description. Using Baritone does require you to have the fabric loader installed for Minecraft 26.1. If you don't have that yet, or you're not sure where to get it, then I will link it right down in the description below. Anyways, enough yapping, let's get into using this. So as you can see, I have the Baritone mod in my downloads, and all we need to do is go ahead and put this into the Minecraft mods folder. To get there, if you don't know how, you want to press on the Windows and R button, and then type in app data, just like so. In this location, going to the folder called roaming, then .minecraft, and then mods. Simply drag the mod in just like that, and then we can close this up, open up the Minecraft launcher, and launch Fabric for 26.1.2. And bam, here I am inside of Minecraft Java Edition. And I'll get started with showing you exactly how to use Baritone. But if you want a full in-depth tutorial, then I have actually already made that, and I'll put it down in the description below. For right now, I'm just going to be showing you how to get started. So using Baritone goes entirely throughout the chat, and if you don't know what it is, as the description on the GitHub page said, it's basically Google Maps for a block game. If you've never used Baritone before, it's going to tell you that the settings file has not been found. That's perfectly fine. So all Baritone commands are, instead of the default slash, actually going to start with the hashtag. The great thing about the newer versions of Baritone is that it has autocomplete, making this really easy to use. But let's actually start off with hashtag help over here, which is going to give us page 1 of 6 that contains all of the commands that Baritone has, and now we have all of the pages over here. So these are all the commands that you can use. It might be a little overwhelming at first, but for all of these, we can simply hover over them, just like that, and, well, it's going to give you an exact description of what this command can do for you. And if you want even more information, simply click on it, and then you'll see now here in the bottom of the chat, it is going to give you that full information there as well. So let's get started with some simple commands. The probably first most simple one is hashtag go to. This allows you to go to anything, for example, a specific block over here, but also to coordinates. So for my current coordinates, I can just, well, type a tilde, and then I will type 10 blocks on Z. So 10 blocks relative to where I am on the Z. So if I type in that, I then move 10 blocks in, I believe, the positive Z direction is where that is going to move me. But you can also type in full coordinates here. So for example, hashtag go to, and then maybe we go minus 110, 64, and then minus 2700, just like that. And it is going to calculate the, well, the easiest way to get there. Cool, looks like we've arrived. Nice. Now, that's not all you can do. As you guys probably already saw, you can also have yourself go to blocks. So for example, we can use hashtag go to and then oak log. There we go, and we are now going towards the nearest oak logs. Now, you don't have to actually immediately start walking. You can also use the hashtag goal command to set any goal anywhere. For this situation, I'll use tildes again to set the goal to my current location, and you can see that the goal is there, and we can move away. Maybe I'm gonna go very far away, And then we can simply use the hashtag path command, and that is going to find the best path to go towards our goal. And then once we've arrived at the goal, we're going to be there. We used go to earlier to go to the oak logs, but actually a better thing to do would be to use the hashtag mine command and then go to the oak logs. There we go. And that's not just going to locate the nearest oak logs and go to them, but it's actually also going to go ahead and mine them. And now because I'm in creative mode, it's, well, gonna mine them very quickly, and it's going to go on indefinitely. So the swimming isn't very fast, but once we get to the next oak logs, it's going to go ahead and continue mining all of them. This is probably a good moment to tell you guys about the hashtag pause command, so we can pause whatever we're doing, and then we can use the hashtag resume command as well, and that's going to resume that. Finally, if we don't want to chop down the entire forest, we can use the hashtag stop command, and that's going to, well, stop all of this deforestation over here. Looks like we were able to mine quite a large amount in that little bit of time. Anyways, basically, for right now, that's basically the small showcase of Baritone that I'm going to give you guys. Of course, there was a lot more you can do. You don't just have to mine oak logs. You know, you could go to diamonds, to emeralds, to chests, whatever, you name it. Anyways, for right now, though, I guess that was basically that. Any questions can be left down in the comments below. And I want to thank you all ever so much for watching. And I do, of course, hope to see you again in the next one. Bye-bye.